30.5%. That's how much DuckDuckGo app installs in the United States spiked on May the 25th, less than a week after Google's developer conference. The growth wasn't a one-day blip either. It was sustained over 6 straight days. The trigger was Google announcing more AI being pushed into search. The response was thousands of people opting out. Here's the full story. 6 straight days. That's the part most coverage is missing. DuckDuckGo installs were up on average of 18.1% every single day for 6 consecutive days. Across the Memorial Day weekend, which historically slows app installs down across the board, DuckDuckGo not only held the surge through the weekend, the surge grew. That's not a news cycle, that's a behaviour shift. Now, the headline number, 69.9%, that's how much iPhone-specific installs of DuckDuckGo peaked on May 25th. Average week-on-week growth on iPhones was 33%. Notice what isn't in those numbers: international. The growth was almost entirely US-based, which DuckDuckGo themselves point out was a response to Google's US-focused I/O announcement, not a global trend. Now, the bit nobody's reporting, DuckDuckGo runs a separate website called noai.duckduckgo.com, where all AI features are off by default. Visits to that site grew 22.7% week on week, peaking at 27.7% on May 24th. People aren't just leaving Google, they're actively going to a search page that promises no AI at all. That's a very specific complaint. DuckDuckGo's CEO said it directly. Google is force-feeding AI with no way to opt out. As a result, their results are getting worse, not better. We want to be the place that puts users in charge and allows them to decide how much or how little AI they want. The numbers say a lot of people agreed with him that week. So here's the guru's catch. If you actually want to try it, 2 things. 1, DuckDuckGo has AI features too, but they can be switched off in settings. 2, the no AI version of their search is at noai.duckduckgo.com. Bookmark it, set it as your default if you're done with the AI first approach. The exodus this week shows you're not alone. Numbers don't lie.